njalo kanti wayengidakelwa. I used to hate Zulus, guys. Nasekhaya kuthiwe nje hlukana ungalinge. And then I had this thing, you know this thing yamaZulu ukuthi bangakhuluma amanye ama-language. Okay, sharp. So mina kahle I used to speak Xhosa fluently. I was very fluent in Xhosa. Okay, and then I had a Xhosa friend, varsity and everything Xhosa friend, sharp. And then during that time, so it was me, Namutswana, my Xhosa friend, and then there was a Zulu girl. uZulu ke wasifundise isiZulu. Wayenza ukuthi sikhulume isiZulu to a point whereby I even forgot gore ke bua yang isiXhosa. Hawu ngase ngihlangana ke nensizwa yakwaZulu. Ase ngikhuluma ke isiZulu kuphela. Yazi even mangisekhaya ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi kimutswana.
Uyabonakala abafana.
So yeah, ngase ngikhuluma isiZulu kanjalo ke. And then I spent most of my time around Zulus. Angazi nami ukuthi ngabathanda kanjani.
It's my first time seeing it this close.
Really?
Yeah.
Ngashona phansi kugibela mina nawe.
Yo, mfethu.
Noma cabanga kugibela mina no Lontuzana nomuntu kaMpumelelo. Ngashona phansi.
Lazini bakhulu lo.
Ngashona phansi ngiyakutshela.
Nondlekile no2.
Hayi ngashona phansi ngiyakuchazela.
Ayibo. Oh, I almost thought I've lost the
Friend,
card.
I've seen my comments. I can't see the comments.
Kodwa tiredo. Guys, advise me. Konoti, guys, advise me. Tirelo, you and Amahle have a good relationship. Tirelo, I love you. Leave Zulu boy. Kuzega. No, you are starting. Yeah. Guning. Buka, ngiphethe ngisezinye izicathulo la emotweni ukuze may location ithi bhekane ngibhekele. Nah, the
which shoes did you decide to go with?
No, I'm wearing right now I'm wearing Tekkies because bese ngigodola with the slides, yo.
After which Tekkies did you take?
The Black Steve Vaders.
Would you date a Tswana guy? No, I wouldn't.
They are not Jimmy. But they are not Jimmy. Yeah, hey, mina why?
Then mabana bara Camila ubwesi Suthulan.
Akehon.
Awukhona iridiyo kaGuruke.
Mina ngihlezi mengizofaka izinqa zemoto nje ngaphansi.
Ngoba shuthi phela awukwazi kahle ukudriver.
Utak. No,
ukudriver akusinto yakho.
No, man. There was a van in front of me.
Ayikho leyo nto. Ngoba phela le moto leyo ine-parking assistant. Uhlula yini wena?
Mina ngithanda ukwenza ama-accident. Sharp.
Accident yani?
Ngathola ukuthi manje sengiye phambili kakhulu. Ngaze ngadlulela ulayini ngaya le.
Tiwani bathini sengiyababa.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So bazala bamzitho, that is Utirelo, my best friend yakhe. And guys, surprisingly so Umngani kaThirelo is also Ithembini, and Ithembu Umngani kaThirelo. It seems like an and sister wife they are best friends because I've went through page yakhe and even TikTok, TikTok videos working umamkhulu because umamncane. They seem to love each other even on the birthday. Umamkhulu bekakhuluma there. She was so happy to share umyeni wakhe no nalo sisi lo nalo mngani kaTrele, but I don't know why Trele couldn't learn one or two things kumngani, but azazi ukuthi asikho lapho. So uTrele like she's basically saying yena she never loved amaZulu before dating uMpumelelo. She never wanted to be in a relationship with a Zulu guy, but you know God uNkulunkulu uzokulahlela la ungafuni khona, because uthi nakibo bebanokumkhuza ukuthi you know what, do not date amaZulu, because amaZulu guys siyazi ukuthi adume ngokuthi arude, adume ngokuthi anodlame, but abafazi abake badate amaZulu, they'll tell you ukuthi when it comes to women amaZulu, number one, you'll never find a Zulu man ashaya unkosikazi. It's rare guys, ezizinto basithi you'll never find it. It's, we are not saying ayikaze ayenzeka, but it's rare. You won't hear umuntu onomntwana nomZulu athi ingane yami ayondlwa. Understand? Asithi ayenzeki, but it's rare. You'll never find those stories like kwamanye ama-culture, you get me? And yesterday guys, uTrele was live. So today it will be the last episode of Izingane Zesithembu. I'm so sad guys, I'm so sad. As much as sifeel like Izingane Zesithembu Zadie say azina hard content, but at least they are giving us something. So bukelani Nkosi TV Ingane Zesithembu zingasekho. So this today it will be the last episode when Trele on that live, and we all know who she was lying. She said yeah, Nompumelelo, they are no longer together, and the rumors or allegations that today uMpumelelo will be engaging akekho sure, but the person bekaseceleni kwakhe, I think it's a friend or a cousin, because she was also speaking to Anna, the girl bekaseceleni kwakhe, even though akafunanga ukuveza ubuso. The girl bekalokhu ahappy athi sibukele. So I guess today is a big day for uTrele. We just need to watch and see nje. But when the guys advise uTrele, do you think uTrele really need to divorce or no, they are not married, to end the relationship with Baba Mtanakhe uMpumelelo? I do not think so. I think yonke lento lesiyibona ku-TV bayazi-actela, because I also saw ivideo kaTrele no-Amahle. They were very happy. It seems like whatever enzeka ku-TV, it's just a TV thing. Yeah, understand? Obviously bafuna ukuthi sibukele as ama-viewers, and ayikho yonke lento leyo. Bazalwane bami, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.